Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Thai inspired coleslaw. Okay, today's recipe because the Super Bowl is gonna coming soon. In America, Super Bowl is the football game. It's really big, and everybody like to bring out the food and enjoy together to watch the Super Bowl. So today's recipe is gonna be the American side, very popular side is coleslaw. So I have this inspired in my version in the Thai inspired coleslaw. So let's get started. Okay, the recipe gonna be quick and easy side dish. Just I gonna start with the green cabbage. I gonna cut them, slice them small. I going to use the 3 cup the green cabbage.
Mommy.
Okay, and I will use the 3 cup for the green cabbage. That we just slice them. I will use 3 cup. Okay. 3 cup go in. It's a little bit more than 3 cup, just a little bit more, so I'm gonna use them all. Okay, so a little bit more than 3 cup for the green cabbage, but that's okay. So the green cabbage go in, and next I will use the purple cabbage. For the purple cabbage, I only going to use 1 cup. I just want the beautiful color and like a little bit of crunchy taste from the blue cabbage. I not even know, I just say blue cabbage, actually purple cabbage. I think I said the purple cabbage from the beginning, right? And I don't know why I say blue. Okay, so I think this is about 1 cup. This is about 1 cup for the purple cabbage. Okay, yep. Everything just gonna be a little bit more than 1 cup. Just a little bit extra, I think it's okay. Okay, green cabbage, purple cabbage go in, and now we're gonna use the 2 cup shredded carrot. Gonna need 2 cup for this. Okay, when I'm in Thailand, I never watch the Super Bowl or the football. Because the football in Thailand is different, but over here we call soccer. In America called the football I know before soccer. So and then in Thailand we call it football as American football. So I never watched them before until I get into America. So for this year 2023, I want to know from you guys what your favorite team and what team you with to win. You can leave all the comment below so we can talking about this together. Now I think it's 2 cup just by looking, just my eyeball. They might a little bit more, a little bit less. Oh no, perfect. This is 2 cup, perfect. Okay, so now I have a cabbage, I have a carrot. I only have 1 more thing vegetable. Cilantro. Cilantro. Only cilantro for my Thai cooking. A lot of my cooking is have cilantro on top. So this one have it too. Just a small handful for the cilantro. Okay, gonna bring all the flavor together. Okay, I'm just gonna put the cilantro on the top. Look at all this, how really beautiful this color already. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be colorful and very tasty, and gonna be might be something new for you guys too. Okay, and next we're going to make the dressing. Okay, we're going to make our dressing. I'm gonna start with the peanut butter. I use 4 tablespoons peanut butter. So that's gonna be it's gonna be a little thick. Okay, so 4 tablespoons peanut butter go in. They're thick. Okay, next I have the 4 tablespoons fresh lime juice, and I'm going to use 1/4 cup water to thin it up everything. All right, and I have the half teaspoon salt. Everything gonna mix and blend. It's really easy. And next 2 tablespoons brown sugar. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. And this is a spicy. Gonna add into your dressing 2 Thai chili. If you don't like the spicy, just put them half or just put them only 1. This is up to you. Okay, 2 Thai chili, 2 clove garlic, and 2 teaspoon ginger. Okay, everything go in. And I'm going to blend everything together. Okay, that's it. It's very easy. And now you just have to taste. It's really good. You can even keep this one for a salad dressing. It's very much. This idea to share with you guys recipe is from the cameraman, because one night I'm making for him the similar, and he's like, oh, this is so good, I should share with you guys. So this is why this recipe come out with. So now we just have to mix everything together. I'm gonna pour all the sauce in here, all the dressing in here. Wow, look at this. The sweet, salty, and sour, a little bit spicy from the Thai chili, but for me a little bit spicy, but for you guys might be very spicy too. The heat is up to you. Next, curd peanut. Add some more crunch. Okay, and the toasted sesame seed, I use half tablespoon. Oh, all right. Now all we have to do just mix them all together. Okay, let me go get the mix it. Okay, now I'm going to mix everything together. Look at how beautiful it is. Look, some carrots, some cabbage, and very creamy for the dressing. And if you really like this, you can double the recipe and you can leave in refrigerator up to the week. And you can use for salad dressing and a dipping sauce also. They're very good. Okay, I'm going to eat this coleslaw with the fried chicken tonight. So I want to know what you guys going to eat with your coleslaw. Okay, just let me know on the comment below. Alright, so now I can wait to try this. I'm gonna put in the plate and we try this. Okay, I'm going to try this right now. I know. I bring in a big bowl, but I'm just going to try a little bit right now. Okay, big bite with everything. Actually, you can eat just like this. So good. Yeah. Wow, I think it will be good with the grilled chicken or fried chicken or chicken wing. Cannot wait for the dinner tonight. I'm going to put it in refrigerator. So when we're done cooking, this will be this coleslaw, it will be our side dish today. Okay, I hope you like this video. I hope you like this recipe. Please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.